Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Whatfix is hiring for reporting analyst role. Job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let us get to know about this job. First of all, they have mentioned who are we. Whatfix is the #1 digital adoption platform for enterprises. We are disrupting the way learning, training and application support content is consumed. We provide large enterprises, mostly Fortune 500 companies, with a SaaS platform that helps accelerate product adoption and reduce support and training efforts by providing contextual and step-by-step guidance inside any web application at the exact time a task is being performed. The product has redefined the way companies onboard, train, and provide support to users. Our customer success team, composed of customer success and global consulting teams, India, US, UK, Australia and Germany, of around 280 plus members, is working with large enterprises spread across the North American 70%, European 20% and ANZ 10% regions. Global consulting has been one of the growth pillars and is of strategic importance for Whatfix. What sets us apart from the rest? With over 100 of the Fortune 1000 companies already on board as customers, Whatfix has been named among the top 20 B2B tech companies alongside the likes of Adobe, PayPal and Cisco. With a YOY, that means year-on-year growth of 300%, we have also been recognized among the top 50 fastest growing SaaS companies worldwide in the SaaS 1000 list and as a market leader by Gartner in the digital adoption space. Hustle mode on is something we live by. We are looking for a stellar junior consultant operations to join our GCSS team in Bengaluru, India. Now let's check what will you get to do. Liaising with our customer success, professional services, financial sales operations and deals desk on revenue recognition and reconciliations. Data governance, ensuring data accuracy, identifying and solving for data mismatches, fulfilling varied reporting requirements across different stakeholders. Contributing to CS operational initiative with a quick turnaround. Driving the ORG NPS survey every quarter, deriving and sharing key insights metrics to all the stakeholders. Driving operational and process efficiency within customer success and professional services teams. Our ideal junior consultant operation. True passion to explore numbers, data. Having 2+ year experience in an operation based role is strongly preferred. SaaS experience preferred. Excellent and fast paced with Excel and Google Sheet calculations. Working knowledge of Salesforce. Good to have understanding of reporting tools like Looker, Tableau. Excellent with large sets of data and quick automations. Strong cross collaboration skills. Should be open to aligning with the UK time zone, that is 1 PM to 10 PM IST. What sets us apart from the rest? You can read them about here. Whatfix has been selected as Gold Steve Award winner in 2022 American Business Awards for Customer Service Department of the Year, G2. Yet again earned 13 leader badges across the digital adoption platforms and customer self-service software categories. Also at the top of Momentum Grid report for digital adoption, Spring 2022. This is what our investors have to say. SoftBank, Secure, Stellars, Cisco, 8 Roads, Helio Ventures. Please note, we don't believe in keeping the applications hanging and give very high importance to closing the loop irrespective of the outcome of your application. We are an equal opportunity employer and value diverse people because of and not in spite of the differences. We do not discriminate on the basis of race, religion, color, national origin, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, martial status, veteran status or disability status. This is Whatfix website, scalable successes with software. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this page will open and here you have to click on apply button. After that, this application form will open. Then here are some basic details. First name, last name, email, phone. Are you willing to relocate to Bengaluru? Are you comfortable working in the EMEA, that is UK time shift, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m.? Expected CTC, your current CTC. Notice period in days, your resume, and then after that click on this submit application button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.